In this video, we're going to take a look at Oxford Art Online, starting with how to find it and then how to use it for your research project. This is the FIT Library homepage, and starting from this page, you can find Oxford Art Online by scrolling down to our OneSearch search box, clicking on the Databases tab, and searching for Oxford. As you'll see, this will bring you to our databases page with the single result of Oxford Art Online. Let's click the plus sign next to this database name to learn more about the database. This is going to tell you that it offers you the full text of Grove Art Online, and note that there is a 3-user limit to this database. So please log off when you're finished, and you may find that at certain points, if many people are using it, you may not be able to access the database. If that happens, you can log back in later and you'll be able to use it as soon as other people have finished their use. So to actually log into this database, I'm going to click on the title. Now, as a reminder, it's usually good to use an incognito window in Google Chrome, or if that's not possible, a private window in Firefox to access our databases. To do that, I will right-click on the database and click Open Link in Incognito Window. From here, I'll log in using my FIT username, which is the first part of my email address before the @ symbol, and the same password that I use for Brightspace or my FIT email. Now you'll see that I'm in Grove Art Online, also sometimes known as Oxford Art Online. You can see the Oxford Art Online title here, and clicking on this will take you to the overarching platform as well. Now from here, you can see that there are numerous ways to sort through the results. You can look by field, so you can look for a particular field of art, the medium the artist works in, the era, the region, the place type, and the occupation. So for any of these, they would offer you an option in how to navigate through the sources. Let's say you wanted to go by era. You could click on a particular century and learn more about art from that time period. But for research, when you've already got your topic selected, your best way of using this platform, starting again from the main page, is to use the search feature. So there's a simple search box, and there's also an advanced search feature available. Let's start with the simple search box. Using this, I can search for a particular artist, or a particular piece of art, or a particular technique, and other keywords. So let's try running a search for the artist Titian. So you can see that I've received over 1,000 different results for this search. And if I scroll down, you'll see that the first couple are essays, 2 different ones by different people, published on different dates, about the artist. So I could click on either or both of these. So let's start with this one. And it will give you more information. It's going to tell you when it was last updated, and it's also going to give you information about his background, scrolling down further, an essay about him. You can navigate through the contents of this article by clicking on any of these, so I can look at solo exhibitions, for example, and a bibliography that will point me towards additional works. And these are things that you could then search for in OneSearch. Let's take a look at the other essay that was a result. This is from Grove Art Online, and you can again see when it was written and updated. And here you'll see that there are going to be images integrated in, and more information about the artist. Again, we can navigate using the contents on the left. Another way to navigate through Oxford Art Online is to search for specific artworks. So I'm going to run a search for a particular Titian piece, Sacred and Profane Love, and I'll also get results for this search. So I can click on this, for example, and here is a high-quality image of this particular work. Oxford Art Online is a great resource for doing art history research of all sorts and researching specific artists. And it's a really great resource to use for any class project where you need to find information of high quality about art, artists, and art history.